Welcome to MIT-ADT podcast series. Good morning, everyone. Today we have Rahul Makde, an assistant professor of Aerospace Engineering. His keen specialization is towards aerodynamics and machine learning. Welcome, sir.
Well, thank you, ma'am.
Aerospace is your
Okay.
keen area, and in that area, you are teaching aerodynamics.
Yes.
What actually students get from
Uh,
aerodynamics subject?
Okay. So I will start with a small example.
Okay.
Like you might have seen two type of car. One is Wagoner, one is Mercedes Benz. What is the
Correct.
difference? The shape is a difference.
Correct.
So we teach students how the shape play a key role in aerospace industry. So you might have went and seen aerodynamically designed car. So it's something like the how flow moves over a vehicle. We teach them how to reduce the drag. So these are the things which is explored by the student in these subjects.
Okay. So again, your another part is machine learning.
Yeah.
So what students are expected by
See,
studying this
right now the
subject?
global is moving toward three important aspects. One is AI,
Okay.
another is defense, third is the aerospace. So whichever country governs AI, defense, aerospace is the key player in the world scenario right now. So along with the aerodynamics and aerospace engineering, we also teach student machine learning, AI, how to implement this technique into basically aerospace applications. Like a computer science can code very well, not a issue in that. But he cannot explore aerodynamic phenomena or the application of aerodynamics. So we teach a multidisciplinary aspect where AI, machine learning can be clubbed together, and it can be applied to aerospace application in order to reduce different parameter which are relevant to aerospace engineering. So
Okay.
this is the major motto with which we move ahead.
Okay. As aerospace is a branch which relates maximum on practical knowledge. So any projects or any competition or any industry exposure you got
I
for the
will
students?
bifurcate into two major stuffs. First is the R&D funds and the R&D project for students, and
It's
second
nice.
for the faculty member. So
Okay.
like within MIT-ADT University, we have a funding agency for student, basically called as CRIA, Center Research Innovation for Young Aspirant. So like the student comes up with different ideas to different faculty member. We refine their ideas, and that project is submitted to CRIA in order to get the fund, so that the student can build their own prototype, they can test it, and eventually if it everything works out, they can be a part of a startups or some eco culture, that culture it I can say. Second is for the faculty member. So like faculty member can also apply for a CRIA, but apart from that, faculties are involved in different R&D project with different R&D lab. Like within Pune, we can find two DRDO lab,
Okay.
and lot of defense works are going on. So like we already have one funded project from DRDO, so where we were talking about high impact fragment launcher. So where the speed can be around 1000 meter per second, that is 1 kilometer per second. Another project which is right now going on is like hybrid solid fluid hybrid rocket propulsion, where the faculties have developed their own design, and the project is under fabrication, or you can say in a prototyping stage. Once that is done, then again the student, now in this case the faculties are benefited and the student knowledge is also refined, because eventually when design comes, so students are a part of that project. They design it, then they go for the next step of prototyping, so they get hands on. So this is what the R&D activity in the department are helping students. I will just give you one or two example. Like one of our student called Manan, so he initiated with such kind of project, and finally he landed with his own startup called as Thrustwork. So right now that company is working for rockets. So this is what, it's everything is correlated.
So, nice to hear so many funded projects, CRIAs, students, they are doing
Yeah.
so many projects. We'll be soon back with you, sir. Thank you
Thank
so much for coming over here.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
thank you everyone. Be with us for MIT-ADT podcast. Thank you.